पीओके हमारा था, पीओके हमारा है, पीओके हमारा रहेगा। भारत की प्रतिष्ठा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जगत में जिस तरीके से बढ़ रही है, भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था जितनी तेजी से आगे बढ़ रही है, अब पीओके के हमारे भाई बहन स्वयं ही मांग करेंगे कि हम भारत के साथ रहना चाहते हैं।
साथियों, इस बार के मैनिफेस्टो में फिर कांग्रेस ने सरकारी नौकरियों में रिलीजियस माइनॉरिटीज के लिए रिजर्वेशन का संकेत दिया है। इस बार के उसमें जो ये लागू किया तो उसमें आर्म्ड फोर्सेस को भी उसके दायरे में यह ले सकता है। यह देश की यूनिटी और इंटीग्रिटी को प्रभावित करने वाला एक थॉट है। इससे मैं समझता हूं समस्त देशवासियों को सजग रहने की जरूरत है।
Joining me now is a very special guest. He's a go-to person for Lucknow Lok Sabha constituency. His father is a member of parliament and he's a go-to person. So there is a say in Lucknow कि लखनऊ की जनता ने इनके पिताजी को देश को समर्पित कर दिया है। देश की सुरक्षा का वो ख्याल रखते हैं। जी हाँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नन अदर देन Rajnath Singh, who is a Raksha Mantri of our country. Joining me now, his son Neeraj Singh, who is in active politics from last 20 years and has been handling Rajnath ji's constituency from last 10 years since 2014, and he's a go-to person for people of Lucknow, for the voters of Lucknow. Whatever they need, whenever they require something, you know, he's always available on phone. He has got his team in place to help people, even in COVID times. And you know, when I speak to people, the feedback that I get is that सर को हमने दिल्ली भेजा है देश की रक्षा के लिए, लखनऊ ने चुन के भेजा है और लखनऊ को बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है। बट नीरज सिंह इज हेयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम। नीरज जी, ये परसेप्शन है कि आप यहाँ पे गो टू पर्सन है। कभी किसी को कुछ जरूरत होती है, कोविड में राशन की जरूरत है, किसी को अस्पताल की जरूरत है, किसी को बेड चाहिए, तो कह रहे हैं नीरज भैया को फोन लगाओ। इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन कल्चर, द फीडबैक दैट आई हैव गॉट। सही है फीडबैक?
Let me tell you very honestly that we are born and brought up in this Lucknow, and this is like a big family for us. From last 20 years, I have been in politics, और जब से होश संभाला है तब से ये पार्टी के ही विचारों को लेकर लोगों के बीच में जाना, एंड वी आर सर्विंग दिस पार्टी विदाउट एनी कि हमें कोई लाभ हो उससे या फिर कोई आकांक्षा है हमारी, कोई एम्बिशंस एस्पिरेशंस जुड़ी हुई हैं हमारी इससे नहीं। हमें मालूम है कि मेरे पिता इसके ही वाज अमंग द फाउंडर मेंबर्स ऑफ दिस पार्टी, और जो भी करना है अपने लोगों को समर्पित करते चलिए, समाज को समर्पित करते चलिए, उसी भाव से हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं। और वी आर गेटिंग सो मच लव फ्रॉम एवरीवन, सो दैट्स व्हाट वन वांट्स।
हाउ मेनी फोन कॉल्स यू रिसीव इन अ डे? You have a count also?
Seriously, I don't have that count, but must be more than 100 in a day.
Yeah. Okay. We'll talk about city, sir. The city has evolved a lot in last 20 years in terms of new roads being built. In fact, the ring road has just come up, which has connected the whole city with the suburban side and also nearby districts. The new malls are coming up. There's a lot of money inflow into the city. In terms of, if I talk about economy, is in a way is booming. As far as Lucknow city is concerned, how do you look at the evolution of Lucknow city as you are born and brought up here, and we have come a long way?
Yes, definitely we have come a long way, and last 10 years you can see that the kind of work which has been done, it's more than worth 50,000 crores. और कई ऐसे काम, because माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी, he always wanted to develop this Lucknow like any other metropolitan city. You can see 105 kilometers ring road. It is among the largest ring roads of India, and you just don't see it only as a road. It will be a land of opportunities. जो भी इन्वेस्टर्स सबमिट हो रहे हैं, 35,000 करोड़ के MOU साइन हो रहे हैं, तो उन्हें एक लैंड बैंक की जरूरत होती है, एंड आफ्टर दैट any investor wants a swift connectivity to the place. So now we are having multiple railway stations also. Like earlier there was only Charbagh railway station. Now we have Alamnagar, which is developed like any satellite station. Now state-of-art infrastructure railway station, that is Gomti Nagar. Now Ashbagh station, and along with that we are also having a Terminal 3. Now this traffic, the air traffic, it will go up to 1 crore 6 lakh once it's fully operational. तो कनेक्टिविटी को बेटर करना, एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए 105, और ये लखनऊ जिसको आप तहजीब के लिए जानते हैं, इसकी चिकनकारी के लिए इट्स आल्सो फेमस फॉर इट्स चिकनकारी वर्क. तो अब ये आगे आने वाले समय में ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल के लिए भी जाना जाएगा. तो यू कैन सी ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल आउटसाइड आल्सो.
वी आर क्रॉसिंग 1090 चौराहा. तो
दिस इज हाउ वी वांट टू आल्सो इंक्रीज द पर कैपिटा.
डिफेंस एक्सपो आल्सो हियर व्हिच वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड.
इट हैपेंड लास्ट ईयर. इट वाज अ ह्यूज सक्सेस. पहली बार नॉर्थ इंडिया में डिफेंस एक्सपो हो रहा था, और मैं समझता हूं कि ये सारे कार्य जब एक बार ग्राउंड पे आ जाएंगे तो पर कैपिटल इनकम ऑफ दिस लखनऊ विल आल्सो डेवलप इन नेक्स्ट 1 or 2 years.
What is one thing which you like about your father? Though there are multiple things that you must be liking about him, but tell me one thing that you really like about your father, and you inspire a lot from him, or something that you really want to take from him.
He has all the traits anyone would like to उनसे लेना चाहेगा. But the main trait which is I admire, it's his patience. After being in politics for 50 years, he never said anything to hurt anyone's emotion against any caste, creed or gender.
Never landed in controversy.
Never landed in any kind of controversy, and he is very dedicated towards his work. उनका ये है कि पूरी केवल पार्टी जो कहेगी वही करेंगे. पार्टी के प्रोग्राम्स, पार्टी के वर्कर्स के साथ एक उनका इंटरेक्शन जो है लगातार उन्होंने 24/7 जो है, और 365 days he is dedicated to the party work. And along with that मैंने जैसे कहा कि एक पेशेंस है उनके अंदर, एक ठहराव है. That is something which I want to definitely take from him.
Also, sir, there's a lot of responsibility on your shoulder. Since you are campaigning for this constituency has once been represented by former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and there are a lot of memories when I go and meet people on streets of Lucknow. They talk about Atalji, they talk about his tehzeeb, his way of functioning, and in a way they tell me that development in Lucknow started from Atalji's time, then it was carried forward by your father. Talk to us about the connect that Atalji had, now your family have, with the people of Lucknow.
As I told you, Lucknow is known for its Ganga Jamni tehzeeb. My father, he always tried to follow the full footsteps of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. और जो लखनऊ का आप अभी डेवलपमेंट देख रहे हैं, अगर मैं कहूँ तो उसका फाउंडेशन जो है अटल जी ने रखा था. आप जो ड्रग इंस्टीट्यूट हो, चाहे CRDC हो, ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो हैं, सरकारी इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो हैं, उनको लाकर अटल जी ने एक शुरुआत करी थी, एक डेवलपमेंट की. नाउ माय फादर, ही हैज टेकन इट फॉरवर्ड. Now, as I told you, this ring road, all this development, now 22 flyovers, he is giving a shape to new Lucknow, and with the time you will see that lot of job opportunities will also be created through all this connectivity.
Actually, Neeraj sir, when I was speaking to people, they are complaining about jobs. They are looking for more job opportunities in Lucknow. I've spoken to people, they tell me that Lucknow is a beautiful place to live. People are respectful, there is a mannerism, there is a completely different vibe when you are in Lucknow. Infrastructure is coming up, roads are being good, but one thing that they really miss is job opportunities, because a lot of students go out after their schooling, to work outside Lucknow.
मुझे लगता है ये एक रॉन्ग परसेप्शन जो है बनाया जा रहा है। अभी हमने 2 महीने पहले हमने एक ऑर्गेनाइज किया था लखनऊ कौशल महोत्सव। वी रोप्ड इन नेशनल स्किल डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन एंड along with the रोजगार मंत्रालय ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश वी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इट एंड like companies from every sector was part of that, and we gave job offers to 5,284 in 2 days.
Okay.
And last year also we conducted the same kind of Kaushal Mahotsav, and that time also the count was more than 5,000.
Okay.
तो ये मुझे लगता है परसेप्शन जो है मुझे लगता है ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज द्वारा बनाया जाता है, बट विद द टाइम लखनऊ इज चेंजिंग एंड द काइंड ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चure growth you are seeing, definitely more and more job opportunities will be created in Lucknow.
Okay. Now we'll take a quick, we'll play a quick rapid fire round with Neeraj ji. Neeraj ji will ask 4 questions with you, and these questions are going to be in the rapid fire format. So are you ready?
Right. Definitely.
Okay. So the first is Lucknow or Noida?
Lucknow is definitely hard for me because I born and brought up at this place. I have very fond memories of my childhood from this place. So definitely for me it's Lucknow. But yes, Noida is also I would say that the very important city for.
His brother is MLA from Noida.
Yes, it's also a very important place in the perspective of Uttar Pradesh. It's a place which is contributing a biggest part to the GDP of Uttar Pradesh. So definitely it's also very important.
Okay. Sharma ji की चाय या वाजपेयी की पूड़ी सब्जी?
Again a tough question, but I might go for Sharma ji ki chai and his bun makhan also along with that tea.
Okay. How often you go there?
These days though I don't get that much chance, but yes,
Maybe
whenever,
during your college days.
Yes, at that time we were very regular to the Sharma ji's chai.
Okay. Now this is a really tough question. Rajnath Singh as a Raksha Mantri or Rajnath Singh as a Grah Mantri?
He has done some transformative measures in both of the department. Like you can see that now as a defense minister, India, which was the importer for the world, now it has become exporter. Recently, अभी 32,000 crores के जो है BrahMos missile we sent to Philippines, definitely. And during Home Ministry regime also, जो पूरा North East का जो terrorism था, उसको पूरी तरह से उन्होंने खत्म करने का काम किया था. तो definitely both responsibilities he has done wonders, I would say.
Okay. Favorite slogan in this election season? 400 पार, अब की बार 400 पार या फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार?
अब की बार 400 पार, फिर से मोदी सरकार, और लखनऊ बोले 5 लाख पार.
क्या बात है. So this time's target is 5 lakh.
Yes, the margin, last time we won by the margin of 3,48,000. Now everyone is aiming for to go it beyond 5 lakh.
Bapre. So we were speaking to Neeraj Singh. Since last 20 years, he's in active politics. He's a BTech engineer. He has also done MBA. He's a Lucknow boy and a go-to person for a lot of people in Lucknow. In fact, he receives more than 100 calls every day. If somebody needs bed, if somebody needs some help, wherever people need help, his office is always there. And this time, he's campaigning aggressively for his father, Rajnath Singh, because he's saying that this time's target is 5 lakh votes. So the target that Rajnath Singh's camp has set is to win by the margin of 5 lakh votes. Thank you so much, Neeraj ji.